Good morning, students. I am from Lokman Tilak School. Uh, in this chapter, we have read food and its sources. ये जो चैप्टर 1 था वो स्टार्ट हुआ है फूड एंड इट्स सोर्सेस. फूड हमें कहाँ से मिलता है, इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ फूड explained, identified types of food, sources of food explained, classify animals based on food habits, herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, parasites, scavengers and decomposer. Today we are going to discuss food chain, difference between food chain and food web. Food web और food chain में difference पढ़ेंगे और food web का meaning पढ़ेंगे. Food and nutrition you have already read. How many from where we get food from? Sure. From where we get food from? Food कहाँ से मिलता है? We get food from? It is a general question. Give me the answer. Where do we get food from? फूड खाना हमको कहाँ से मिलता है? जो भी मन में है उसका आंसर दो. हाँ, खेत से, प्लांट से बेटा. खेत. योर आंसर इज some correct. We get food from field, but in field we get food from plants. And animals also gives us food like milk. Okay, and those who eat meat, they get food from animals also. ठीक है. We eat root of the plant, we eat stems of the plant, we eat. Okay. There is some. We eat stems of some flowers, we eat leaves of some plants, we eat flowers of the plants, we eat fruits of the plant, we eat seeds from the plants. सीड्स भी जो होते हैं वो हमको प्लांट से मिलते हैं और हम वी ईट इट. वी फ्रॉम सीड वी मेक कुकिंग ऑयल एंड वी यूज इट फ्रॉम फॉर कुकिंग. फूड फ्रॉम एनिमल्स. We get food from animals also. Animals gives us egg, animals gives us meat, animal gives us milk. Okay, from milk we can milk is used for dairy products such as ghee, cheese. Okay, we get honey from from animals. Okay, those who eat only plants, they are called vegetarians, and those who eat both plants and animals, they are called non-vegetarians. Food gives us energy. No? Food gives us energy to work and for other activities. Food helps in our growth. Food is very important part of our life. Food habits of animals. Food habits. Those animals who eat only plants are called herbivorous. Those animals who eat only flesh of another animals, they are called carnivorous. And animals who eat both plants and animals are called omnivorous. Scavengers. Who are scavengers? Scavengers mainly feed on dead animals and plants. They eat dead animals and plants, so they are helpers of environment. They clean the environment. Okay. Decomposers also feed on डेड प्लांट्स, ब्रेक डाउन रिमेन डेड प्लांट्स, जो टूटे हुए उनके होते हैं उनको भी क्लीन कर देते हैं. पैरासाइट्स suck our blood and other animal, they are inside the body, they are harmful for host. Okay, see in this picture, classification on the basis of feeding habit. This is the classification on the basis of feeding habits. Some are producers and some are consumers. ओनली प्लांट्स आर प्रोड्यूसर कौन है? खाली प्लांट्स. एंड कंज्यूमर एनिमल भी है, एंड कंज्यूमर ह्यूमन बीइंग ऑल्सो आर कंज्यूमर. ठीक है. कंज्यूमर में भी हार्बीवोरस, कॉर्निवोरस, ओमनिवोरस, पैरासाइट्स एंड डिकम्पोजर्स. Okay, today we are going to discuss about food chain. Let's see. Living organism depend on one another on food. You see that living organism depend on one another. The herbivorous depend on plants, and carnivorous depend on herbivorous, and omnivorous depend on herbivorous and carnivorous. A food chain represents this food dependence of organism in natural environment. Natural environment में इसको देखते हैं. It tell us who eats to whom. कौन किसे खाता है. For example, number 1, grass is eaten by deer. grass को जो deer खा लेता है, and deer is eaten by a lion. वो deer को lion खा लेता है. Grass is eaten by grasshopper by lizard by eagle is eaten by fox. This is called food chain. First of all, grasshopper eat grass, then lizard eat grasshopper, eagle eats lizard, and fox eaten eagle. The organism at the first level of food chain is always a producer. जो फूड चेन का, ये देखो फूड चेन बन गई. फूड चेन जहाँ से स्टार्ट होती है, it will call producer. Okay, such as grass is also producer. The next is sequence in herbivorous, such as grasshopper, called primary consumer. वो primary consumer है. The primary consumer is followed by carnivorous, such as secondary consumer. वो secondary consumer कौन है? Lizard. And the tertiary consumers, scavengers such as vulture, fox, are also part of food chain. Let's see in the picture. He is primary consumer. Then, and which is the producer? Grass. Then secondary consumer, frog. Tertiary consumer, snake. Final consumer, eagle. Decomposer, fungi. Okay. Many food chains exist in nature. Nature में कई food chain exist करती हैं. An organism may be a part of more than one food chain. जो organism है may be part of one food chain, more than one food chain. This creates an interconnection between different food chain. Different food chain में interconnection हो सकता है. A network of such interconnection food chain is called food web. जो कई इंटरकनेक्शन होते हैं उसको हम लोग फूड वेब कहते हैं. द एरो इन द फूड चेन रिप्रेजेंट्स द ट्रांसफर ऑफ एनर्जी फ्रॉम वर्क वन ऑर्गेनिज्म टू अनदर ऑर्गेनिज्म. ठीक है. कॉर्निवोरस, एन एनिमल दैट ईट अदर एनिमल, जो दूसरे एनिमल को खा लेते हैं उसको कॉर्निवोरस कहते हैं. कंज्यूमर, एन ऑर्गेनिज्म दैट डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली डिपेंड ऑन द फूड produced by the producer. Decomposer, an organism that break down organic components in the remove. ये सब आप पढ़ चुके हैं. Again you can read it. This will upload in Zoom app. Okay, upload on YouTube. You can finish it from the YouTube. Choose the correct answer. Which part of mango tree is edible? मैंगो ट्री का आप क्या खाते हैं? फ्रूट. मैंगो इज अ फ्रूट ना. देन वी ईट fruit of mango tree. Which of the following has different eating habit compared with other? Elephant herbivorous, cow herbivorous, giraffe herbivorous, dog omnivorous. He eat plants, he eat meat, so he is omnivorous. Which of the following is true parasite? Can live only one animal, can live inside the plant, obtain food from the host. Parasites obtain food from the host. Which of the following edible stem? Ginger. Choose the correct food chain. ग्रास को लायन नहीं खाएगा, इंसेक्ट को. लीव्स नहीं खाएंगी, ग्रेन को रैट्स खाएगा, रैट को आउल खा लेगा, बर्ड को इंसेक्ट नहीं खा सकती, इंसेक्ट को बर्ड खा. सो नंबर सी will be correct. Both seeds and leaves of this plant are edible. Which plant is this? सीड भी खा लेते हैं एंड लीव्स भी खाते हैं. मस्टर्ड, सरसों. Write the fill in the blanks. Write fill in the blanks and name the following. Match it. Complete it. You can do your copy work. Okay, these are right. Food sources, food and its sources. First of all, write the date. Copy work you can do. First of all, write the date. Then write the question answer. Okay, student, finish your work in your science copy. Your writing should be neat and clean. Okay. Okay, students, good.